This is a fully automatic mattress folding and compression rolling production line. It covers an area of 12 meters 5 wide, 4 meters 3 high, 3 meters 4. The total weight is 17 tons. The total power is 38 kilowatts. The air consumption is 0.43 cubic meters per minute. Continuous production efficiency is 30 seconds per mattress. Suitable for the type of mattress: pocket spring mattress, common spring mattress, common foam mattress, latex mattress, and thin pads. Suitable mattress length range. It could reach to 2,200 millimeters. The max mattress width is 2,200 millimeters. The mattress height range is from 50 to 500 millimeters. The pressure of our compression machine could reach 100 tons. It's the most pressure in the field. It can run continuously for 20 hours without rest. Then the rolling diameter is also the widest range on the market. The minimum can be rolled to 200 millimeters, the maximum 560 millimeters. The roll pack diameter could basically fit for all kinds of mattresses, include folding mattress, rolling mattress, and thin pads. The machine consists of 4 parts. Part 1. Automatic film pack machine. The second part, automatic compression machine. The third part, automatic rotating and folding machine. The fourth part, automatic roll packing machine. The packaging consumable of automatic film machine is pay film roll material. The whole machine has 3 rolls. 2 rolls are used here in the automatic coating machine. 1 roll on the top, another roll on the bottom, and then the roll film on the top will be lifted by this crane, and then the bottom roll film would be pushed in by the auxiliary system. The thickness of the first roll film is from 0.06 mm to 0.08 mm. The mattress is fitting in length side. It could be also connected with the convey line in the front. And then when the mattress comes to here, sends this priming eye. The machine will run by automatically. Not need any worker to operate here. The machine automatically detects the width of the mattress and then release the film according to the width. The film covering is very compact. After the coating is done, it is welded. The cover film usage would be exactly based on the mattress width. It won't cause waste for the film. This is a fully automatic compression machine. This is a fully automatic compression machine. Then the hydraulic station we use is servo-hydraulic station. The first features is silence. Secondly, is very smooth and stable when start and stop. Thirdly, the height control of the pressure plate is precise. And our welding system. We already have a patent. It can ensure that the welding is beautiful and firm. It will not weld too much to damage the film or lacking welding. Automatic rotating folding machine. It has an automatic rotation function. centering function, and folding function. It can be folded in half in length. Fold the width in half. And 3 folds and 4 folds function. Can reduce the packaging size of the mattress. This is a fully automatic roll packing machine. It uses 1 roll of pay film roll material. The thickness of the film material is 0.04 mm to 0.08 mm. Roll pack range from a minimum of 20 cm to a maximum of 56 cm. It basically fits all the mattresses. These include thin pads and folded mattresses. Our roll packing machine uses servo motor control system. It can guarantee that every mattress after roll packed is with precise size. Avoid bulging when put in carton or have shaking situation. Our roll pack construction and system could make the spring mattress. The process of roll packing would be very smooth. Would not have the case when the spring mattress fold in half, then cause damage the structure of the spring mattress, and will not when roll packing the common round spring mattress, cause damage on the mattress fabric. Will not have the case when the spring mattress fold in half, and the human-machine interface. It is available in both Chinese and English. And its parameter input is very simple. Here's the human-machine interface. It can display prompt information and alarm information.